Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section right away. Now click on this switcher at the top if it's not already on to turn on Bluetooth. Then select Pair New Device. Finally, you can wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Nextly, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this gear next to chosen device and selecting Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. To connect to the same one, choose Pair New Device, click on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!